Hey guys, Slab 4x4 here, and today we're looking at a new flashlight I picked up at my local Harbor Freight. I've seen a few videos on it, like what I saw. Went in the store yesterday, they had it on the shelf. Figured I'd get it, check it out, give y'all a little rundown on it for my subscribers and new viewers. Anyway, we're looking at the Harbor Freight Icon Series 800 Lumen slim bar flashlight. It is rechargeable. I did go ahead and cut this open because I wasn't about to fool with this package on camera. There's too much cutting there. There's a charging cable, USB-C on this end for plugging into the flashlight, a regular USB on this end to plug into the charger, so keep that in mind. USB, USB-C. Alright guys, it does have a little LED on the end. You can use it like a little pen light, have one held in your hand. You can collapse it down. A little small handheld light. Has 3 LEDs for the battery power indicator. There's a USB-C plug, no caps to take off. Has a big bar on the front with 2 brightness levels. Pretty bright, looks like it's gonna work good. 2 brightness levels on the back, small bar. This flashlight is magnetic. You can put it on something, make you a little work lamp. Stick it on a panel box. View what you're working on. Use it above ceiling grids. Yeah, looks like it's gonna work good, y'all. I will pin a comment in a couple of weeks, see how it held up, if I've had any troubles with it, battery charging, battery life. But yeah guys, I mean it wasn't too expensive. I believe it was $39, 40 something dollars. I had to go back and look. I'll pin the link in the comments to the video or description of the video. Anyway guys, new subscribers, appreciate it. New viewers, thank y'all. Consider hitting the like button and subscribing. Small channel, Georgia country boy, not monetized. I just like me a little bit of bourbon, fishing, and tools. Alright guys, y'all keep checking back and we'll find something else to do a video on. Thanks y'all, appreciate it.